Garage Door Fairfield offers a variety of services for garage doors, including garage door installations, sales, repairs, and servicing. We provide a same-day service 24 hours in Fairfield and surrounding area. We work around the clock to ensure that you get the best services for the best price. No matter what type of garage door or garage door brand you own, we can repair it or replace it. If you are looking for a garage door installer, call us now to better assist you. We are your licensed Garage Door Fairfield company. Do not hesitate to call now, 513-275-3997, and we will be happy to help you.